Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the text that is displayed on the screen. So in order to do that, we just have to go right here, and as you can see, we are currently in the design mode. We have to switch to the text mode, and also I'm going to open the screen of the application. So I'm just going to select this preview. And so right now, as you can see, we have the screen displayed right here, and all the changes that we made in our code, they're gonna reflect in the screen of this device. So first of all, I'm gonna change this generated text that's with hello world text, and I'm gonna just say savings calculator. Okay, and next thing I'm gonna do is just change the text that's going to be displayed on the edit text, and as you can see, we don't have any attribute that says Android text right here. So we're going to create also an attribute that displays the text, and in order to display text on an edit text before the user inputs something, we're just going to use this hint attribute, and we're going to say yearly income. Okay, and as you can see, we have those changes reflected on the screen. And now we're gonna go to the sig bar, which we're just gonna leave it like that. And for the next one, which is this text view, we're just gonna say weekly savings and then a colon, and we're gonna display the amount on the next line. So we're just gonna say \n in order to make a new line, and then dollar and 0. So the default is gonna be set to 0. And as you can see, the formatting applied and everything is displayed on the screen. And then for this text view that we have over here at the bottom of the screen, we're just gonna set it to total. That's the total amount of savings. And also for this new button, we're just gonna say, instead of new button, we're just gonna say reset. So that's the reset button. And right now we have everything set up right here. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.